everyone, today I would like to explain one important concept is accounting, which is responsibility accounting, or in Indonesian called akuntansi pertanggungjawaban. Responsibility accounting. Every company or organization manager have different responsibility. Some manager are responsible for sales, productions, cost, or investment. Because each manager has different duties, companies need a system to evaluate performance fairly and effectively. This is where responsibility accounting become important. Responsibility accounting is an accounting system that collects, records, and reports financial information based on areas of responsibility within an organization. This system helps us companies evaluate whatever managers have performance their responsibility as properly according to company goals. The main purpose of responsibility accounting is to make every manager accountable for the activities and costs they can control. Managers are evaluated only based on things under their responsibility. This concept is very important because it helps improve management, control, efficiency, accountability, and organizational performance. In this presentation, I will explain the meaning of responsibility, accounting, characteristic, and each. First, let us understand the definition more clearly. Responsibility accounting is a system that divides an organization into several responsibility centers. Each center is led by a manager who is responsible for certain activities and financial performance. The company then prepare accounting reports for its responsibility center. These reports are used to evaluate managerial performance based on controllable revenue and controllable costs. An important principle in responsibility accounting is called the controllability principle. This means managers should only be responsible for costs and activities they can control. For example, a production manager can control labor costs and material usage, but cannot control inflation on government tax policies. Therefore, managers shall be evaluated fairly according to their authority and responsibility. Characteristic of responsibility accounting. There are several characteristics of responsibility accounting. First, the company must have a clear organizational structure. Every managers and employees should understand their duties and responsibility clearly. Second, cost and revenue must be classified based on controllability. This helps company identify which manager is responsibility for certain financial result. Third, companies need a budgeting system. Budgets are used as standard to measure performance and compare planned result with actual result. Fourth, the company must prepare performance report regularly. This report help to management evaluate efficiency and achievement in every department. Now, let us discuss the four types of responsibility center. First, a cost center is a department that managers are responsible only controlling costs. Example, department, maintenance department, and human resource department. The manager's performance is evaluated based on cost efficiency and whether actual cost match the budget. For example, if a production manager can reduce waste and save production costs without reducing product quality, the manager is considered successfully. Second, revenue center. A revenue center is a department where managers are mainly responsible for generating revenue or sales. The best example is the sales department. Managers in revenue center are evaluated based on sales achievement, customer growth, and revenue target. If a sales manager successfully increases company sales above the target, then the manager's performance is considered good. Profit center is a department where managers are responsible for both revenue and cost. This means managers are evaluated based on the profit generated by their department or divisions. Example include branch office, business divisions, and product divisions. Manager is profit center must balance sales growth and cost efficiency to maximize profit. For example, a branch manager must increase sales while also controlling operational expenses. For the last, investment center. An investment center is a department where manager has responsibility not only for profits but also for investment used in operations. For business professionals, understanding responsibility accounting is important because successful organization require clear responsibility, effective control system, and their performance evaluation. Thank you for your listening, and I hope this presentation helps you better understand the concept of responsibility accounting and its importance in business management.